All right, what is going on? Hey, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you guys are seeing me, do me a big favor on the way in, hit that subscribe button. If you find the content useful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. Now, we're going to be continuing with our My $25 Business series here on today's video. Now, if you guys are brand new to the channel, what I do is I go out there and I find different products. I figure out how to get them to convert. And what I do is then I teach you guys what I did to get those sales in a step-by-step format. And that's exactly what you're getting. And what we're continuing with is this right down here on my channel. It's called the My $25 Business. If you guys go to that playlist, it takes you back to day one all the way where we are up to today, which is day 14 of this training series. And we cover everything step by step. So by all means, go ahead and finish watching the rest of this video, kind of get an idea of what it is. If not, my recommendation is to go ahead and jump back to day number one. So if you go directly below this video as well, what you're going to find is that playlist. So go directly below this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button first, hit that thumbs up, then hit this show more right here. If you haven't joined the $25 business, only $25 to start, you're going to click this right here. Now, if you want the training from day one, it's right here. Here's my other training series as well. But if you right click this, open in a new tab, it's just going to bring you right over to the actual $25 playlist, and you can watch all of them in order. Now, if we started this back on February the 15th, it is now April 12th. So it's a little less than 60 days. So we're about 57 days in. 57 days ago, we were at $85,407, right, with this $25 business. So if we go today, we're up to 108. So let's take a look what we've made. So 108, 982 minus, what were we back then? Let's see here. Minus, oops, we were at 85,407. So we've made $23,000 divided by 57 days. So we're averaging with this $25 business $413.59 per day, times that by 365 days, about $150,000+ per year with this online business. I think actually we're going to be quite higher than that. I think we could knock around the 180 to the $200,000 mark in a 12-month running period. This coming week's paychecks, which will be on Thursday, and this place runs the commissions every Thursday, and you actually get direct deposit into your checking account on Friday morning, just like if you were working a normal job. So this Friday, my paycheck will be $1,908. And then next week's paycheck will be almost $4,000. Now, yesterday also was an insane day. It was only $20 short. You guys can't see it because my face is in the way. Here we go. I was only $20 short of breaking the $1,000 day with this business, which I haven't done yet in the last few months from March 1st until now. You can see I've gotten many days close. I got 940 that day. I got 920 that day, 868. I'm getting close, guys, close to getting some $1,000 days with this business. It will get there. Give me another couple of months. You guys got to jump on this. Now, in the last video, we covered, setting up. We've done everything, guys. We showed you guys how to set up all your different social media platforms, how to use paid traffic. We showed you guys how to structure your videos, coming up with endless content ideas. In the last video, we talked about creating that hook. And in today's video, we're actually going to show you how to come up with the video content for your YouTube Shorts, your Instagram Reels, your TikToks, things like that. And by the way, guys, if you watched the previous training, you don't have to think about what to come up with. We're actually just going to be replicating or creating similar content to other people that are in our industry. And we'll show you guys how to find that content, how to create that content, everything in the prior video. So today, we're going to be all about showing you guys what to put inside of that video content, okay? So right after this, guys, I'm going to jump on over to the training. You guys can go ahead and get started, watch the rest of the training. It was pre-recorded. I shot this for another program. I charge over $500 for this training that you're getting access for free. Over 700 people have been through this training and purchased it at a cost of $500. So you're getting it free with this My $25 business, and I've already sold this over 700 times in the past for at least $497. So you're getting that for free. Just for coming here on the YouTube channel, for liking the video and subscribing. But go ahead and watch the rest of today's training, and then otherwise, we will see you in tomorrow's video. We'll be talking about our call to actions that you need to implement at the end of your videos to actually convert that into sales and start getting these huge paydays, just like I'm showing you here, averaging probably close to at least $500 a day. We was at 400 something bucks per day that we're averaging, 419 so far since joining this business. Is absolutely insane. So go get started, guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, watch the training, enjoy, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. All right, so by now, you guys understand how to do your research. You've got your account set up. You guys know how to go out there and find the content ideas. for your different pieces of content. Either one, it is making similar videos that you found on the different social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, or you've went out and searched Google and found some piece of content. Now, what I like to do is keep all of my videos under 60 seconds. And the main reason for that is because we're going to be repurposing that content. And the only platform that really allows longer videos is TikTok. So like the YouTube Shorts, you can't load anything over 60 seconds long, or it's not considered a YouTube short. It's considered just a regular YouTube video. So all of my videos and all of your videos, regardless of the ones that you're making, need to be 60 seconds or less. So it's going to start off with a hook, hooking someone in. And if you guys watched the previous video, it shows you guys how to come up with a hook. And then now it's going to go into the content. So what you're going to do is spend the next probably maybe about 30, 35 seconds or so, giving people the content that you're wanting them to watch, right? So you try to make it interesting. Just keep everything quick and to the point, because if you drag stuff on, people do get bored with that and they will move on. And interaction and watch time is a big part of getting one of your TikToks or one of your Instagrams to go viral. So I'm going to read over some of these points. I'm actually going to add this cheat sheet to this video. You should be able to download it. I'll make it a PDF. But this is a little quick cheat sheet for you guys to have. So when you're making your videos, just make sure to get straight to the point. So don't drag people on for the entire 60 seconds. Short, sweet, quick to the point videos are more popular. And when you're creating these videos too, things to remind to keep this with you is we're going to be using like trending sounds and songs. So TikTok, Instagram Shorts, they favor videos that engage well with well-performing sounds. So think of the songs that you sound, or the sounds that you normally hear on like your For You page. You try to remember those that you see constantly. Those are the ones you're going to be using and putting inside of your content. And then also to remember to use trending hashtags. So all the platforms usually will list a top trending hashtags, and you guys can go and find those. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that inside the videos. Or if you are actually already copying someone else's video, so if you're on like TikTok and you found another viral video that you can see has already got millions of views, watch that video a couple times and you'll see there's probably a short little hook that got someone stuck into it to begin with. Then they display the content, and usually at the end of that content, especially if it's something like in the make money online niche, at the end, they're going to have a call to action. We're doing the same thing, but they have just figured out for that particular video what is working. So that's why we copy those particular videos. You're going to copy the hashtags completely word for word. And then what you got to do is kind of look at their hook that brought the people in. And then you're going to recreate similar content with the call to action at the end, leading over to your URL, right? So hop on trends, lean into content that is already popular on the apps, showing off show something unique off around your house. Don't be afraid to hop on a trend. Just be sure to put your own spin on it, right? And if you guys can tell a story, I get when I tell stories, I get a lot of engagement. So if you can tell a story about how you're starting your online career, or if you're starting your affiliate marketing, just tell a story. Everyone loves a good trending dance, but usually the biggest piece of content that go viral are stories, right? If you have a crazy story to tell, let us hear it, right? So that's what you should put on those social media accounts for the content. Leave a little mystery. Now, this is what's cool. Whether you're giving advice, don't explain everything in the video. So an example, if you are wanting to create content around the product you're promoting, don't give away the bag. Don't tell everything about it. Just leave some mystery in there so people will want to ask questions about it. So if you're doing a video that where you just started making money online, you can say, hey, I just bought this brand new car. I used the money from this program that I made to buy this brand new car. It's awesome. I just started a couple weeks ago. If you guys want to know about what that program is, just comment down below. And a lot of times you'll get comments. When you start getting comments and getting interaction within those videos from the content, that's when those videos really go viral. You start getting those likes. You start getting people asking questions. But you just got to keep the content pretty interesting. Keep it short. It only needs about 30 seconds, 35 seconds worth of content. You're going to have maybe a 5 to 10 second hook at the beginning, roughly around 30 to 35 seconds, and with only about 5 to 10 seconds at the end for the call to action. So just use this cheat sheet to kind of remind you of some of the things that you need to be thinking about when you're creating your videos. Like sharing your videos on other social media platforms to increase the exposure and views. We're going to be doing that by spreading those videos across multiple different platforms. And another thing that you're going to remind people is you can shoot these videos and this content at any time of the day. So the time of the day that you post, honestly, I've tested, it doesn't matter. What's important is that you're just staying consistent, consistently adding that content to TikTok, Instagram Shorts, and TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts. It's not one of those like one and done games. So you can't just put up one piece of content and then the next day don't put up any. If you constantly put up a piece of content every single day on each one of the platforms and make an effort to do that as much as you can, that's when more likely some of that content will go viral. But For the content pieces, it's pretty easy, guys. You should just found the content by either one, copying other people's or making similar content from what other people are already having that went viral, and see if you can't hop on that little trend where they've created that video using the same hashtags, using pretty much the same intros, using the same sounds that they're using, and the chances are you're going to go viral. I've actually made that pretty a lot of my accounts have gone viral. I've been able to find other people's content and then basically recreate it with the same sounds, the same hashtags, and then just you might be changing up the hook at the beginning, talking about the same information or similar information, and then throwing my CTA at the end of it. I've gotten literally hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of sales just from recreating similar content. So that's pretty much it, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. We're going to go over what we need to put with the CTA or the call to action at the end of those videos, and then pretty soon we're going to be jumping in. We're going to actually start creating the content, and we're going to see how this whole picture comes together, which I know the majority of you guys want to see because you're walking right now. We've got everything set up. You set up your social media accounts, you've got your daily checklist, you've kind of learned about the hooks, the content, you're going to be learning about the CTA, and then the very next section after that, we actually going to create one piece of content together. We're going to do it from start to scratch. We're going to go out there, we're going to find, I'm going to show you guys how I find the piece of content. I'm going to, write in the hashtags, I'm going to write in the sounds. We're actually going to create our first piece of content together, and then we're going to upload that onto all of the different platforms. But for now, we'll see you guys in the next video, which will be covering what to put at the CTA or the call to action at the end of your videos.